Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to bypass your lock screen if you forgot password on your Vivo V23, but it also works the same way on any Vivo V series. So in order to do that, we'll need to perform the hard reset, factory reset our phone, and that means the data, all files, photos, videos, everything on your phone will be wiped. So now, if you actually agree with it, press the power key and hold it, then power off your phone like that. After it powers off, hold your power key and volume up key at the same time. And here you'll see this reboot menu. You'll need to navigate it with volume down key to move down and volume up key to move up. Now, to actually select something, you will need to press the power key, and we want to move down to recovery mode and then press power key. Now we will need to clear data, and you can simply use your finger now. So press on the clear data and clear all data. And here it will remind you that all user data will be deleted, including music, photos, and other user data will be lost. After you think about it, you can confirm. We'll need to wait for that process to happen, and after that, it will take a bit of time, but after that we'll be able to reboot our phone. So let's restart our phone. And we'll need to set up a whole new phone again. So it's ready. We can select the language that we want to use, and it's already English for me. You can press on this arrow and then pick the language you want. So I have English, press start, pick the location. For me it's Poland, so let's try to find it. So it's not here, it should be then at the top, I guess. Yes. Okay, then move to the next steps, agree to the terms. You will need to connect to your to any Wi-Fi network, so just make sure to do that here. If you want, you can copy apps and the data. I'm not gonna do that, so don't copy. And here it will ask you for the password again, but we forgot it, so in order to actually get past that, we'll need to use my Google account instead. So press on that. Here you will need to log into your previously used Google account. So I'm gonna do that. Add the previous account. I'm not gonna agree to any of this here, and after doing that, accept. Choose default search engine, in my case it's Google, and set unlock method. So I'm not gonna do that, just to show you that the password is gone. So let's skip that and leave and get reminded later. Okay. Next. Free button navigation, because I prefer that. Use now. And as you can see, our phone starts unlocked. We can move around and now lock the phone, unlock it, and there's no password. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.